Having a pool in your yard can be like your own personal oasis, but how is your insurance impacted with your newly installed getaway? Let's talk about that. Hi, it's Caitlin with Berry Insurance. During the pandemic, swimming pool sales skyrocketed as families began to invest in their own staycation backyard setups. During that time, we had many clients who had questions about how investing in a pool would affect their insurance. Now, as the weather begins to warm up again, we're here to help let you know what insurance changes you may or may not need to make if you are investing in a swimming pool. In this video, you will learn, is my pool covered by my homeowner's insurance? What insurance adjustments need to be made if I buy a pool? Let's dive in. Is my swimming pool covered by my homeowner's insurance? When it comes to swimming pools, the most common question we get asked is if the pool will be covered by their homeowner's insurance. Fortunately, your policy should cover the pool on your property. Specifically, pools fall under the Other Structures section of your homeowner's insurance policy. This section covers things like garages, sheds, fences, driveways, and of course, swimming pools. This is good news, as it means your pool will be covered from events like fires or storms up to your Other Structures policy limits. To get more information about what's covered by your homeowner's insurance, check out this video. Even though your pool is covered under your homeowner's policy, you may need to make some adjustments to your homeowner's coverage. Adjustments to homeowner's policy for pools. A swimming pool is a fun but large investment for your home. However, before you test the waters, you should make sure you're protecting your investment with the proper insurance so you won't face a claim or financial hardship. Here are some steps you should take before you get your pool. Notify your insurance company. There may be some areas of your insurance you may have to address, but the bare minimum is to inform your insurance company so they're aware of the pool. In some situations, like if you get an expensive custom pool, your agent may suggest you increase your coverages. If it's an inexpensive, temporary above-ground pool, letting your agent know may be all you have to do. Increase other structures coverage. Generally, other structures coverage is set at 10 to 20% of the value of your dwelling coverage limit. If the other structures limit does not cover the total value of your pool, you may need to buy additional coverage. For example, if your dwelling coverage is $300,000, your other structures coverage might be $30,000. If your pool would cost $50,000 to replace, your coverage will not fully cover it. If that is the case, you may want to consider extra other structures coverage, specifically for the pool to cover it in the case of a disaster. Increase liability insurance. Damage to the pool itself isn't the only thing you have to worry about. You also need to consider the possibility of injuries to people.
Keep your legs straight when you hit the water. I kept my legs straight, Spike.
Pools can be dangerous. Between wet surfaces, drowning risks, and running or jumping in the pool, pools put you at risk of all sorts of injuries.
No roughhousing in the spa. Settle down, please.
To better protect yourself from these potential issues, you should strongly consider increasing your personal liability coverage on your homeowner's policy. We recommend the maximum coverage of $1 million if you don't already have it. Personal liability covers damages if someone else is injured on your property. If someone were to get hurt in or around your pool, paying for medical bills and legal fees could reach or even exceed $1 million. So the additional coverage is key. Get umbrella insurance. Even if you max out your insurance on a pool-related claim, it might still not be enough. Since a pool is an additional exposure, we always recommend personal umbrella liability insurance. Sometimes referred to as excess liability or personal liability, umbrella insurance supplements a policyholder's existing liability coverages, such as auto, homeowners, renters, and condo insurance. It offers an extension of the policyholder's existing coverages. Umbrella insurance covers the costs of damages or legal defenses arising from incidents leading to property damage or injury when the policyholder is considered responsible. Specifically, it protects you and your assets if you are found liable for damages beyond what your underlying policies will cover. Umbrella kicks in once the other forms of insurance, auto, home, condo, or renters, have been exhausted. With rising medical costs and legal fees, umbrella insurance is often a financial lifesaver when it comes to unexpected high-cost claims. Some people decline umbrella coverage to save some money. And while the chances of having to use your umbrella coverage is rare, if you find yourself caught up in a situation where you needed it, wouldn't you rather have an insurance policy pay rather than you having to pay out of pocket?
I should have gotten that umbrella policy.
Specifically, with the concerns of owning a pool, the extra protection is always worth the cost. The cost of personal liability umbrella policies range based on various factors, such as number of properties, number of autos, driver history, age, experience, and number of drivers, number of watercraft or snowmobiles, and more. But a $1 million policy may cost between $160 and $300 per year. As you increase the policy beyond $1 million, the premium cost increases in smaller increments. For example, a $2 million policy may only cost 1.8 times the cost of a $1 million, as opposed to double. If you'd like to learn more about umbrella insurance, check out this video or click the link in the description to see our page on umbrella coverage on our website. Getting a pool is an exciting time for homeowners. Being able to lounge by the pool on a hot summer day or make the most of a backyard barbecue can make it a worthwhile investment. You just want to make sure you're covered in case something happens. That way, you have peace of mind and can get the most out of your new backyard oasis. In case you want to learn more about all the coverages we talked about in this video, we recommend checking out our Learning Center on our website. We have articles and videos on homeowners, other structures, umbrella coverages, and more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We make videos like this every week to keep you updated on all things insurance. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.